welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a DIY stylus. So first you want to just take it to the sink and get one of these and make them wet. Get wet on both sides so you can use both of them on your iPad, tablet, or phone. It turned out it's like really wet, and you're gonna just have to like press the sides so like it doesn't make your device all wet. You want to do that for at least 1 minute, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna start doing this for 1 minute.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Okay, I'm gonna test it out now on my iPad. Okay, so this is how it turned out. This side doesn't work, but the side I'm using right now, it's like better because it's more wet, but not totally wet since I squeezed it some more. The other side was more squeezed, and I recommend you should make this. Hope you enjoy my channel, and I'll be making a lot more DIYs. Bye!